Hello everyone, my name is Murilo and I'm a programmer for Draggo Sanctuary. Today I'll be showing you guys a time lapse of some of my work in the game itself. It's just basically adding some functionalities and making some text show up as they should. So I hope you enjoy.
If you'd like to support our game, Draggo Sanctuary, or give feedback straight to the devs, be sure to follow our social media or join the Discord. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.